Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Windows 11 print spooling problem. So I'll show you what's going on here. If I click on this email here and I click on print all and I'll click on print and nothing happens, nothing comes out to my printer. So if I click on my printer queue here, it says that here's my Gmail test, here's the printer that it's going to, but it says unknown status. So I need to find out why I can't print to my printer. So down in my search bar, I'll search for services. And then services comes up here and I will select it. And then I'll scroll down until I find Print Spooler. And it says that it's currently running. So I'm going to right click on that and select Properties. And then for service status, I'm going to click on Stop. Then click on OK. I'm going to leave this window open because I need to come back later on and start the process. I'm just going to iconize this window. Now I'll come down in the search bar and I'll search for Run and I'll click on Run System. And then for Open, I'm going to open up C://Windows/System32/spool/printers. Click on OK. And there happens to be two files in here. I'm going to delete everything out of this folder. So I'll select that item and I'll select that item and I'll hit delete. I can close this window. And now for the Print Spooler properties, now I can click on Start. And then the service status says running. Click on OK. Now when I open up the printer queue, it's empty. So now let's bring up Gmail again and let's try to print this again. Say print, and now the file is printing and the queue says printing. So for some reason, my printer spooler queue on Windows 11 got hung up and I needed to stop and restart it. And now I'm able to print again. I hope you found that useful and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.